every night, every night are we paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want, all I want, all I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Till you wait.
Okay, let's do the tour. We'll start up here next to where we're camping. There's a glamping tent, and it also comes with a fire pit, a small fire pit, and I can't go inside and show you. But what I wanted to show you is this accommodations. They call them accommodations. I think they're more of the more glamping side. But yeah, you also get one of these. I saw 3 that are functional, and they are adding one more that is currently being built, but they look so nice. You also get a fire pit, and this is beautiful. There's also like privacy situation going on there, and where there's these white poles, it's where you get your camping, your tent camping or caravan camping. Electricity everywhere. Up here, there's the heated pool, which I absolutely love. Like, it's really nice, and it's heated all day, all night. So you can swim at night, you can swim during the day. Very nice. And we came during daytime to take a swim, and we also came later at night, but I didn't film that, though it is absolutely the water so warm. Down here, it's more of the camping and caravan sites. So yeah, this is your space. Also space down there after the glamping tent. This is our camping tent, our fire pit there. You also get a dustbin. You also get electricity. Electricity comes with the booking. Here we going to the bathroom. Not far. It is far for people who are on the other side or who are on the accommodations up there to reach the bathroom, but I think the accommodations, they have bathrooms in them. But yeah, bathrooms, I've been here. They're clean, they're well looked after. This side is for males, and the side is for females. Okay, so you walk in. This is your view. Bathroom, well kept. 3 bathrooms. We have 3 sinks, 3 shower, another shower, this shower. This is a bathtub. A mirror up here. Yeah, it has 3 showers. This is a bigger one. When you leave the bathroom, there's a kitchen. This is the kitchen. Very big. It has a massive table. Sinks. And they also provide a fridge. I think they're just cleaning it now. Yeah, this is the kitchen. And then house rules. You come here. And these are the house rules. Now, when you come out from the kitchen, outside, you're passing the bathrooms, you're going straight, there's a bar in there. Let's go show you. Okay. Show you. This is the restaurant. This is what the outside of it looks like. Okay, it's wheelchair accessible as well. Here's the steps. Back rock. This is what it looks like. This is the bar. This is where you buy the bar. Let's see what they have. They have all of that. Ciders and drinks. This is the bar. Sitting area of the bar. They also have a pool. They have that and that. I think it's also accommodation venue, accommodation and something. I see there. I think you can hire for whatever event you have. And then this side is the office, but I want to show you directly outside there. Okay, now we're just leaving. Now this is the other side of glamping. Overall, the place says it accommodates 250 guests. So day camping, it's that side. For the people who come from 8 to 6 and then they leave, the other side, they also have like kids playing area there. The slides I'll also show you. And then this is your view. The lake. And that's another pool. There's all the slides on that pool, but it's not warm. That one it's normal pool. And then there's that boat there that takes people around the lake to see. And yeah, this is the lake. There is the island. You wanna see? No place to go. That's the island there. So this is the island. There's a seat here. You can sit here, and then fish, and you can make fire. And this here, it's a duck. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. This is what you have. It's a big dam. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. And then we have this part of the lake. Okay, we don't have a drone, so I can't show you the place properly, but yeah, we're gonna go to that island. We're gonna go to that island to see if we can catch fish. But yeah, for someone who wants to come and just have fun, relaxing day, this place is for you. This lake is huge. You could see it properly. But yeah, this is your TangleWood Camping Site, caravan something, and day camping, it's there. And for boats, those cars are, or those people with those cars there, they have boats. So they have a slope there to push out their boats into the water. So yeah, this is the cold pool. You have slides there and bench there, tree, very clean, very pretty. Yeah, so this is the tour. If you like camping, you like glamping, you have a caravan, you want to camp, this is a spot for you. You're fishing, nice view. You're camping, friends and family, nice view, but no music. You can have pets, they need to be on a leash outside. You must clean after your pet. And I think everything is on the house rules. You check in at 2 p.m. You must be out at 10 a.m. on your checkout day. But yeah, this is what it is, guys. It's beautiful. Ooh, look what I found. I'm gonna take it with and keep it. From now on, every time we go camping, we go doing something, I wanna keep something from that place. And this is gonna be it. This is what I'm keeping from TangleWood. Yeah. All right.
Far over, and I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can see that we're only friends. But I can see that we're only friends.
So yeah, do hit the subscribe button to follow for more of our camping adventures and see what we get up to. And yeah, we've been to Kasakara, we've been to Beja Dam, and now we are in TangleWood. We'll definitely be filming more and be showing more of the camping sites that you can definitely visit and have a great time.